there's a very wide gap, not only here, wherever we've been monitoring, projects that are being implemented by central government in a local government always have a very big gap. So because of lack of coordination between central government and the local government, where implementation of these projects and programs are always done, it has made most of these projects to have challenges. Most of them have stalled. Case point, the two projects at Soroti University, one for construction of tanks, water tanks, at a cost of 400 million. The university authority again they procured a bad contractor who failed to do the work. He tried to do some few works and stopped on the way. Why? Because the procurement committee did not do due diligence on the contractor due to their negligence.
We raised the matter above us, that is Estates and Works Committee, that the tank has collapsed before it has been given to us. So we want those people have accepted to do what? To redo the job. When we asked him to resume the work, he rejected. Say, no, I can no longer do that work.
For us, locally awarded contracts, we are very close to them. We get documents. We actually monitor against what is in the document, the designs and the bills of quantities. So the problem is centrally awarded contracts.
We recommend that at least coordination role of OPM should be strengthened so that we reduce on these white elephants within the country and to reduce on these projects which have stalled.